Most of our video content is planned pretty far in advance. This video comparison was quite the opposite and was not executed in our usual way. Right after we unboxed our first TAJIMA SAI, I said, let's get this loaded and see what it can do. And Travis said to me, how fast should we run it? And I replied, full speed, of course. To be fair, I knew going in that the TAJIMA SAI's top speed is 800 stitches per minute, which compared to pretty much any other multi-needle machine on the market is at least 200 stitches per minute less. At the same time, I rarely, if ever, run any of my other machines at their top speed, which ranges from 1,000 to 1,500 stitches per minute. So we ran the SAI at full speed and I was shocked. The machine ran flawlessly, smoothly trimming and changing colors, and the tensions were perfect straight out of the box. But what really impressed me was how the SAI maintained higher speeds and longer stitch lengths, more than any other machine I'd ever seen. Embroidery machines usually slow down based on the width of the stitch. The longer the stitch, the slower it goes. And that's how this comparison video came to be. I wanted to see how the TAJIMA SAI compared to two other multi-needle machines that we have in our sampling room. So we used a 10-needle crossover machine and a 15-needle offshore commercial machine. No favoritism, 3 different machines all running the exact same 28,824 stitch design, using the exact same thread, and all running at their top speeds. And here's the results from slowest to fastest. And third place was the 10-needle crossover machine. The design took 43 minutes and 25 seconds to run, and that's at a top speed of 1,000 stitches per minute. This machine definitely slowed down on the longer stitches, but my bigger issue was the design showed registration problems. Second place goes to the commercial offshore 15-needle machine at 37 minutes and 55 seconds, running at 1,000 stitches per minute. Much more impressive regarding time, but still had registration issues, most likely due to the speed. And in first place, we have the TAJIMA SAI with a time of 37 minutes and 23 seconds. Now I realize that's only 32 seconds faster than the other machine, but wasn't the SAI's top speed 200 stitches less per minute? And most importantly, the registration and stitch quality was perfect with the TAJIMA SAI. Now if you divide the design by 800 stitches per minute, the best case scenario would be 36 minutes and 3 seconds. The TAJIMA SAI added only 1 minute and 20 seconds to the entire design, and that was all within color changes and trims, showing that it maintained a more consistent speed than any of the other machines we tested. So the moral of the story is that the top speed you're sold does not necessarily reflect the truth told, because the proof is always in the stitching. Looking for the best beginner embroidery multi-needle machine? Meet the TAJIMA SAI. Precise, reliable, and user-friendly. Unlock exclusive bonuses by filling out the form on our website. We'll connect you with an official TAJIMA partner to complete your purchase and claim your rewards. Elevate your embroidery today and click the link below to learn more.